Is your bank account truly working for you, or are you just paying for services you don't even use? Today, we're diving deep into a major shift happening with one of the most talked about neobanks, Neon. For a long time, Neon was known for its simple, free forever plan that was a favorite among many. But those days are changing. Neon has just unveiled a massive overhaul of its plans and pricing, and it's something every customer and potential customer needs to understand. This isn't just a slight adjustment, it's a completely new direction. The simple two-plan model has been replaced with a four-tier system: Neon Free, Neon Plus, Neon Global, and Neon Metal. The idea is to offer more choice and flexibility, but it comes with a significant catch, especially for those on the old free plan. What was once free is now, in many cases, a paid feature. Let's break down what this means. The classic Neon Free account, the one that attracted so many users, has undergone some pretty big changes. While it's still a free account with no monthly fees, some of the most popular perks are gone. For example, you'll now be charged a 0.35% exchange rate surcharge for foreign currency payments. And while you could previously make a couple of free ATM withdrawals in Switzerland each month, that's no longer the case. Each withdrawal now costs a flat fee. This is a huge change, and it's the main reason a lot of people are looking at the new plans. So, if you want to get those features back, or even get more, you'll need to upgrade. The first step up is Neon Plus. For a small monthly fee, this plan brings back many of the features that were removed from the free account. You get no exchange rate surcharges on card payments abroad, and a couple of free ATM withdrawals in Switzerland each month. It's essentially a throwback to the old, more generous free plan. It's a smart move to cater to users who want a bit more without committing to a premium price. Next up is Neon Global. This is the plan for the frequent traveler. For a higher monthly fee, you get everything in the Plus plan, but with some serious upgrades for international use. The fees for withdrawing money abroad are significantly reduced, and you even get a generous cashback on international transfers made through their partner, Wise. On top of that, it includes a suite of insurance policies for travel, shopping, and even cyber protection. It's a comprehensive package for anyone who spends a lot of time outside the country. And finally, there's the top-tier plan, Neon Metal. This is the premium offering, and it comes with a price tag to match. You get all the benefits of the other plans, plus even more perks. For withdrawals abroad, the fees are completely eliminated. You get an even higher cashback percentage on Wise transfers and a truly extensive insurance package that includes phone protection and a best price guarantee. And, of course, the signature metal card that comes with it is a nice touch for those who appreciate a bit of luxury. Beyond the tiered plans, Neon is also making its popular add-ons, like Neon Green for sustainability and Neon Duo for joint accounts, available as extensions that can be combined with any of the four new plans. This modular approach is a huge part of their new strategy, allowing you to build a banking service that's truly tailored to your specific needs. So, what does this all mean for the future of Neon? It's a clear signal that the bank is maturing, moving away from a simple, free-first model to a more segmented, revenue-focused one. It's an evolution we've seen with many successful neobanks. While some users might be disappointed by the changes to the free plan, the new structure provides a clear path for those who want more advanced features and are willing to pay for them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.